Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. Lie down comfortably on your back in Savasana. Keep your legs slightly apart and let your feet fall outward. Place your arm a little away from your body, with your palm facing upward. Make any final adjustment. Now and then, allow your body to become completely still. Gently close your eye. Take a slow deep breath. Again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. One more deep breath and relax. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. There is nothing to control, nothing to change. Simply observe your natural breath. Become aware of your gentle flow of air. Become aware of gentle flow of air entering and leaving your nostril. Feel the cool air as you breathe in. Feel the warm air as you breathe out. Return with your breath for few moments. Remain with your breath for few moments. Remain with your breath for few moments. Now bring the awareness to the tip of your nose. Now bring the awareness to the tip of your nose. Now bring the awareness to the tip of your nose. Notice the gentle touch of breathing. Notice the gentle touch of breathing. Feel the subtle vibration at the nostril. Feel the subtle vibration at the nostril. Stay relaxed and aware. Stay relaxed and aware. Stay relaxed and aware. Now silently repeat to yourself. Now silently repeat to yourself. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am calm. I am calm. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. Now we begin the rotation of awareness through the body. Now we begin the rotation of awareness through the body. Simply listen and mentally flow my voice. Simply listen and mentally follow my voice. Bring your awareness to your right hand. Bring your awareness to your right hand. Bring your awareness to your right hand. Right thumb, right thumb, index finger, index finger, middle finger, middle finger, ring finger, ring finger, ring finger, little finger, little finger, palm, 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 back of the hand, back of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, 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 forearm, forearm, elbow, elbow, upper arm, upper arm, upper arm, shoulder, 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 right armpit, right armpit, right armpit, right side of the chest, right side of the chest, right waist, right waist, right hip, right hip, right thigh, right thigh, right knee, right knee, right knee, right calf, right calf, right calf, right ankle, right ankle, right ankle, right heel, right heel, sole of the foot, sole of the foot, sole of the foot, top of the foot, top of the foot, top of the foot, top of the foot. Second toe, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, little toe, little toe. Now move to your left hand. Now move to your left hand. Left thumb, index finger, index finger, middle finger, middle finger, ring finger, ring finger, palm, palm, book, back of hand, back of hand, back of hand, wrist, 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 forearm, 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 elbow, elbow, upper shoulder, upper shoulder, upper shoulder, left armpit, left armpit, left side of the chest, left side of the chest, left waist, left waist, left waist, left hip, left hip, left hip, left thigh, left thigh, left thigh, left thigh, left knee, left knee, left knee, left knee, left calf, left calf, left calf, left ankle, left ankle, left ankle, left ankle, left heel, left heel, left heel, left heel, sole of the foot, sole of the foot, top of the foot, top of the foot, top of the foot, top of the foot. Big toe, big toe, big toe, second toe, second toe, third toe, third toe, third toe, fourth toe, fourth toe, fourth toe, fourth toe, little toe, little toe, little toe. Now become aware of now become aware of whole body. Now become aware of whole body lying on the floor. Now become aware of whole body lying on the floor. Feel the contact between your body and the ground. Feel the contact between your body and the ground. Feel the contact between your body and the ground. Become aware of the room around you. 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 Listen to the sound around you. Listen to the sound around you without judging them. Without judging them. Without judging them. Take a slow deep breath in. 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 Exhale gently. Exhale gently. Again inhale deeply. Exhale gently and inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Begin to bring a small movement into your finger and toe. Begin to bring a small movement into your finger and toe. Move your waist and ankle gently. Move your waist and ankle gently. Move your back and ankle gently. Stretch your arm over your head if it's feel comfortable. Stretch your arm over your head if it feel comfortably. When you are ready, slowly roll on your right side and rest there for few moments. When you are ready, slowly roll onto your right side and rest there for few moments. Keeping eye closed, slowly come up to a comfortable seated position. Keep eye closed and slowly come up to the comfortable seated position. Bring your palm together in front of your heart. Bring your palm together in front of your heart. Take a final deep breath. Take a final deep breath.